Hello guys, today we are going to see how the match function in Excel works. Basically, match function returns a numeric value based on the set of rules that we have provided. In case we want to know where does Singapore lies in the first column, we need to provide Singapore as the lookup value and the respective column as the lookup array. We'll go for the exact match, and here it is. It's on the 8th position. Starting from 3rd, it's on 10th, so it's 8th position. Generally, index and match are used together. For example, if we need to provide what is the sum of discount that has been provided, sum of discount that has been provided for Taiwan. So we'll use index, will provide the entire array. Then to match the row, we'll give Taiwan as the lookup value and match its respective array exact match. And in order to return the sum of discount, we'll have to match discount as well, and the array will change. This is what we are getting, and here it is. I hope you liked this video. In this series, the upcoming video is on offset and COUNTA. Make sure you watch them first to go for the automation. That's the course that we are running forward to. That's it from my side, guys. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.